count and write in words. गिनिए और लफ्ज़ों में लिखिए. Dear children, प्यारे बच्चों, now we shall count given dots. Say the numbers. अब हम दिए गए नुक्ते गिनेंगे और नंबर कहेंगे. Then we recall the spellings and write them in the blanks. फिर हम इनके हिज्जे दोहराते हैं और इन्हें खाली जगह में लिखते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 dots. The spellings of 10 are T, E, N. 10. So we write here T, E, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here are 19 dots. The spellings of 19 are N, I, N, E, T, E, N. 19. So we write here N, I, N, E, T, E, N. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 dots. The spellings of 3 are T, H, R, E. 3. So we write here T, H, R, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here are 15 dots. The spellings of 15 are F, I, F, T, E, N. 15. So we write here F, I, F, T, E, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 dots. The spellings of 5 are F, I, V, E. 5. We write here F, I, V, E. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here are 13 dots. The spellings of 13 are T, H, I, R, T, E, N. 13. So we write here T, H, I, R, T, E, N. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 dots. The spellings of 7 are S, E, V, E, N. So we write here S, E, V, E, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Here are 17 dots. The spellings of 17 are S, E, V, E, N, T, E, N. 17. So we write here S, E, V, E, N, T, E, N. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 dots. The spellings of 9 are N, I, N, E. 9. So we write here N, I, N, E. 1. Here is 1 dot. The spellings of 1 are O, N, E. 1. So we write here O, N, E. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here are 14 dots. The spellings of 14 are F, O, U, R, T, E, N. 14. So we write here F, O, U, R, T, E, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here are 12 dots. The spellings of 12 are T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. So we write here T, W, E, L, V, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are 6 dots. The spellings of 6 are S, I, X. 6. So we write here S, I, X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here are 11 dots. The spellings of 11 are E, L, E, V, E, N. 11. So we write here E, L, E, V, E, N. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 dots. The spellings of 4 are F, O, U, R. 4. So we write here F, O, U, R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here are 16 dots. The spellings of 16 are S, I, X, T, E, N. 16. So we write here S, I, X, T, E, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 dots. The spellings of 8 are E, I, G, H, T. 8. So we write here E, I, G, H, T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here are 18 dots. The spellings of 18 are E, I, G, H, T, E, N. 18. So we write here E, I, G, H, T, E, N. 1, 2. Here are 2 dots. The spellings of 2 are T, W, O, 2. So we write here T, W, O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here are 20 dots. The spellings of 20 are T, W, E, N, T, Y. 20. So we write here T, W, E, N, T, Y.